Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be covering what is compound condition in SQL. Guys, I have uploaded complete DBMS subject tutorials. I'll provide that link in description. You can watch from there. If you are watching this video for the first time, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. A compound condition is a condition formed by combining two or more simple conditions using logical operators such as and or not. The syntax: select column name from table name, where here we need to give conditions like condition 1, either you can use and or not, condition 2, etc. It also gives semicolon. Whenever we write query, if we apply two or more conditions either by using and or not, we call that condition as compound condition. It first will create compound condition by using and operator. And operator returns records only when all conditions are true. Guys, whenever we give multiple conditions, if all conditions are satisfied, I will get output. For example, there is student table which contains roll number 101, name Sai CSC, and 102 Ravi ECE, 103 Ramesh CSC. Now I want to print complete record of the student whose department is CSC and roll number is greater than 101. So I'll let query like select a star from table name, that is student, where department is equal to CSC in quotations and roll number greater than 101. I'm giving two conditions. One is department is equal to CSC and next condition roll number greater than 101. It also gives semicolon. Whenever I exit this query, I'll get output. Two conditions must be satisfied. So this is condition, that is department CSC, which is satisfied. But if you consider roll number must be greater than 101. But here roll number is 101, so it is not greater than 101. So next again, department CSC, but here EC not satisfied. And if you observe third record, department CSC, which is satisfied, and roll number greater than 101, as 103 is greater than 101, so this record will be printed. So I'll get output roll number 103, name Ramesh, department CSC. And second one is OR operator. Yes, OR operator returns records when at least one condition is satisfied. Out of all the conditions, if any single condition is true, I'll get output. For the same table, I will apply query like select a star from student where department is equal to CSC or roll number is equal to 102. Guys, 102 is integer, so no need of including quotations. It also gives semicolon. Whenever I execute this query, I'll get output. So department is CSC. This condition is satisfied. Even though if roll number is not equal to 102, single condition is satisfied. That is department CSC. So this record will be printed. And next condition, that is department is equal to CSC, but here ECE. But this condition is satisfied. Roll number is equal to 102. As 102 is equal to 102, this condition is satisfied. So this record will be printed. And next condition, department is equal to CSC. Here department is equal to CSC, but roll number is not equal to 102. Roll number is 103. Even though this condition is not satisfied, still this record will be printed. So out of multiple condition, if any single condition is true, I'll get output. So this is my output. All three records will be printed. And third one is not operator. Thus it will return records if condition is not satisfied. By seeing this example, you can clearly understand. So I'm applying for same table. Select a star from student where not, here I'm applying not. Department is equal to CSC. That is nothing but if department is not CSC, then it will print the records. So here for Sai, department is CSC, and for Ramesh, department is CSC. Our condition is if department is not CSC, I should get that output. So here ECE is not equal to CSC. So this record will be printed as output. So I'll get output. Roll number 102, name Ravi, and department ECE. This is simple example for compound condition. I'm using both and as well as or. So select a star from student where department is equal to CSC and roll number greater than 101. Inside brackets, this is one condition. This both must be satisfied, or name equal to Ravi. Use semicolon. Whenever I execute this query, at first it will check this condition, that is department CSC, this condition is satisfied, and roll number greater than 1. Here roll number is 101. 101 is not greater than 101. So this record will be skipped. And next to this condition, that is department is equal to CSC and roll number greater than 101. Here department is not CSC. Yes, and mean both conditions must be true and this condition is satisfied. That is roll number is greater than 101. So this is not true. Or this condition, name must be Ravi. Here name is Ravi. This condition is satisfied. So I'll get output. That is 102 Ravi EC. As name equal to Ravi is satisfied. And next one, department is CSC. Condition is satisfied. And roll number greater than 101. 103 is greater than 101. So this condition is also satisfied. This condition is not satisfied. Name is Ramesh, not Ravi. So even though if single condition is true, as is both satisfied, I'll get output. That is 103 Ramesh CSC. This is my output. Either this entire condition or this condition. Out of these two, if anyone gets satisfied, I'll get output.